We on this Rick Ross, Hustle Hard. Hey, Rick Ross, you want to take rapper nigga? Take the real nigga. You want that rapper nigga? I respect you like a motherfucker. Real talk. No homo nigga, but you my motherfucking nigga, so I'm from the SLA nigga. For real. This my boy. This my nigga work right here. My nigga work by teach you how to really fucking done. Hey, kid, you my nigga. I respect you too. If you know good rap, you know this nigga right here.
With the Sixers hat, nigga. That's how get it.
Billy's
Eat shit. Listen, I'm about to get it, cuz. Listen, breathe here, get eight. Oh, yeah, breathe. Look, I got it right there, look. Get him. Yeah. They said, look, gotta catch it. They call it, cash is the root of all evil. I guess you Mason. His name is Knievel. I guess these niggas wanna struggle. You can't get no money, so you in a stress bubble. You like, fuck, how I'm gonna pay these bills? I'ma beat my damn ass down this motherfucking hill, and then I'ma whoop his ass and fucking chill. I'm a taker. No, I'm a fucker, not raper. Look, you know I gotta get that bucket, and I don't give a shit. I don't care, get fucking bucket. Look, you know I gotta wear them shorts. I'm going round like I'm polo in a fucking horse. You know I go around town. Yeah, I got them round pound. Shit, I got that round pound. I can't find it. I don't give a shit, you know that change up in the climate. But when I come to Jersey, then I get in California. I don't give a fuck, my dick's hard and getting hornier. And I'm getting fucking heavy. I guess I'm about to crack that motherfucking lesbian. No, that shit ain't dry. That shit was kinda wet, but I guess her fucking head is the best. You know I keep it coming. You know I got that bitch moaning and she fucking humming. And she like, look, come on and fuck me. Look, it's fucking lucky. On this fucking beat, yeah, it's a treat. I don't give a fuck, you know I'm writing on that sheet. No, this is not written. Your balls, they get bitten. Not from me, but from the bitches, niggas. They kicking. They fucking pussy. They from hell. You might as well tell them crawl in they cell like a fucking turtle. You know I run the hurdles, and guess what? Like fucking squirrel, I'm blowing all these bubbles. You know I'm in the hurdle, and I don't give a shit, cause you know I got that bubble fat ass bitch, and I'm pussy fat. Fucking pussy, I hit it from the back. Listen, I grab her head, put her on the floor, then I pick it in the air. Then I start to trash it. You know I got to bag it like some fucking groceries. Then I Bob Saget on my pants, cause the fucking flower's already open. Then I get the dick out, and then I get the stroking. You know I get that poking. And when I get that poking, yeah, she feels like she is floating. Yo, my freestyle ain't as good as his. I ain't fucking hella bitches and she's making kids. I get one girl, if she's my world, I don't care if she got straight hair or she got fucking curls. My homeboy Lamont came from Pismo, and he fucking bitches. You know he gets mo, you know he gets dough, and he ain't faking, yo. And everybody else rapping, they straight breaking, yo. Them niggas is tripping, they trying to be different on some lame shit. They on some fake shit, in the pain shit. But I'm on some getting at the party, fucking in Bacardi, we on that state of Jerry. You know we getting hella scary drunk.
Watch out.
Other niggas be scared of us. Other niggas tripping like they trying to be embarrassed by us. Like fuck that. When we graduated, you was underclass. Other people fucking bitches, but we really getting ass.
That's right.
Cash, man.
My nigga.